my channel. I am Christina Danielle, and in today's video I am doing a review of the e.l.f. brush shampoo. But before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and all the supporters. And if you are not subscribed, stop what you're doing and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you don't want to miss my videos. So like I said earlier, today's video I am doing a review of the e.l.f. Brush shampoo. Now, e.l.f. is a cosmetic company, and they're very affordable line. It stands for eyes, lips, and face. And they're very affordable. This shampoo I actually bought online for $4, but they also sell it in Walmart. I'm sure if you do go in Walmart in the makeup section, you have seen like a little section for e.l.f. Any type of needs that you have as far as cosmetics go, e.l.f. has. Before I get into the actual review part, I am going to show you guys a clip of me actually using 3 products, including the brush shampoo, to clean my brushes. So I'm going to go ahead into that, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. The products that I'm going to use to clean my brushes is a makeup brush drying rack I purchased from Walmart, my e.l.f. brush shampoo, and I think this is called an egg. I got it off of missa.com, and I will leave all these products in the description box for you all. Alright, so what I'm doing is starting to clean my brush, and instantly, guys, look at all that dirt and buildup. Now all that is a combination of like bacteria, your foundation, oils, and dirt buildup. So I was so shocked at how much was actually coming off of my brush. Now that brush right there is my go-to brush. I usually use it every day. And it took about 3 washes for it to completely be clean and nothing, you know, no more residue coming off of the brush. Alright, and this is my second foundation brush that I use. Actually, my recent makeup video that I did, I actually used this brush in it. So I'll definitely put that video down in the description box for you all. But look at how much buildup, once again, is coming off of the brush. It's insane at how much dirt is actually coming off of my brush. Alright, so I'm just going to scrub it a little bit more, and just to make sure that all of the dirt is removed from my brush, and then I'm going to make sure I rinse it, and then I place all my brushes into the drying rack. It's very easy to assemble, and it holds, I think, 14 brushes. Okay, so as you guys saw, once I started shampoo on my brush and started scrubbing, instantly like a whole bunch of like foundation, I'm sure dirt and oil just instantly started coming off of my brush, like yuck. So it's very important that you wash your brushes. I actually seen online today, before actually recording this video, that your foundation brushes you should be washing once a week, and then your eye brushes you should be doing once a month. And I for sure was not doing that. I was having like breakout areas, and my routine as far as my skincare never changed. So I'm thinking that it has something to do with my brushes. So now I am starting to clean my brushes once a week, and then if not that, I'm using a blender. And I don't clean my blenders, I just get rid of them and just buy a new one. But you know, whichever one, just make sure you're cleaning it. Now, this brush shampoo, it does not have a smell to it whatsoever. It's not a smell, it's clear liquid, and this bottle is 4.1 fluid ounces. It did not leave my brushes oily feeling, heavy, or anything like that. My brushes feel the exact same way like they did prior. My brushes feel exactly how they felt straight out the box once I bought them. I would recommend this brush shampoo for anyone. Like I said, it's very affordable. You can't beat $4, and it's a good amount. I did scrub my brushes twice in order to get rid of all the dirt, but I did have a lot of buildup, so I'm sure if you're cleaning your brushes once a week, you'll only be using very little of this. But that's all to my video. Remember, don't forget, ladies, to clean your makeup brushes. It's so important. I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, so don't forget to check that out. I'll go ahead and put that in the iCards for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.